Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install MinGW into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you can do, just simply go for any of your favorite browser, and then here you just need to type for MinGW. After that you will get this suggestion called MinGW download. If you click on that, then you will get this website called sourceforge.net. So you just need to click MinGW. So if you click on that, then it will open the website for you, and here is the website. So you can simply click on the download and make sure that you can also download it if you use 32-bit or 64-bit, not matter. You can simply click on the download, and after a shortly time the download will be started, and it's download started and it's already downloaded. So what we can do, we will going to click on it 2 times and going to minimize this website or browser, and then simply click on install and leave it as it is. Click on continue, and you can see the download progress. It will take some of seconds to download. Just keep patience. And you can see the download is completed, and now here there will be a visible continue button. So if you click on that, then you will get MinGW installation manager over here. So what you can do, just simply select MinGW developer tool, just click on it and mark it, and then click on MinGW32 base, mark the installations, and then you need MinGW-g/ccc/gww, and click on installation and apply changes and click on apply, and the download packages will be downloading. After a short time that will be downloaded, so keep patience. And you can see that the applying schedule changes, and now if you click on close everything, and now what you can do, you just need to set the environment variables for MinGW path. So what we will going to do, we will going for this PC, go for the local C drive, and then here we'll find the MinGW folder. If you click on that and go for bin, and then going to copy this file location. Now we're going to minimize it and then going to search for environment variables. So if you click on that, and then here what you need to do, just simply go for environment variables, and then what you can do, just simply select the path over into the system variables. You can see the path is over here, and now if you click on edit, click new, and now you're going to paste the path over here. Click OK and click OK. After that, click OK, and now your MinGW environment variables path is set. Now we will going to check into the CMD prompt. Click on the run as administrator. Click yes for the permission, and now here we will type g++ space /dash and type version. Click enter, and you can see that the g++ the MinGW.org and it's 6.3.0 is downloaded, and now it's set it. So this is how you can download and install MinGW into your Windows operating system for free and a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.